With proper care, your air conditioners can last a long time. Here are 4 simple tips to make sure the lifespan of your air conditioners are not affected. First, maintain your air conditioners at an optimum temperature. The bigger the difference between the interior and exterior temperatures, the higher the electrical consumption. Generally, your air conditioners should be set between 23 and 25 degrees Celsius for optimum balance between energy efficiency and cooling performance. Second, where you install your air conditioners play a major role. Install your air conditioners as close as possible to where you need the cooling most, such as the bed. Meanwhile, installing it further away from heat sources like light bulbs and neon lights allow effective cooling. Third, clean the filters every month. This helps your air conditioners to run well, producing clean and cool air without obstructions. As a result, your electricity bills may go down. Fourth and lastly, engage thorough cleaning services for your air conditioners at least twice a year. Under-serviced air conditioners will work harder than a well-kept one. These services help the air conditioners operate like new. This is why professional services such as GoClean services are highly recommended, as well-trained and skilled technicians can detect issues earlier on and prevent escalation into serious issues. Well, that's all. It is beneficial to have well-maintained air conditioners. It lowers electricity bills, minimal repair needed with peace of mind, as well as prevent allergies. So start taking good care of your air conditioners today. Thank you and take care. Bye.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.